So even though a lot of the heavy lifting and labor is done for the season, as late fall and winter approaches, I am still doing work up here as far as preparing for building a home. The previous owners had put in a 1,000-gallon septic tank and drain field. I ended up hooking an outhouse up to it just as a temporary thing. But now I'm in the process of looking to build a small home. I picked out like a small cottage. It's like 480, just shy of 500 square feet. And then the previous owner had dug like a little foundation here, and they put in a well. So those are huge cost savings. So what I'm planning, since the well and septic are already in, even though it's not the most ideal building spot, I'm gonna put the small cottage here, and that should work. I called the county where I'm in, and even though the septic system was put in the early 1980s, it was never hooked up to a home, never used. So they said, yeah, sure, as long as it passes inspection, no problem. So beginning in November, I have a company coming out to inspect it, and then we'll be well on our way. And then I'll have to find a builder and figure out that process. But probably building or anything like that wouldn't start until the spring. But I'm already starting the process, getting the septic tank and well sorted out. I did replace the pump that was down in the well, so all that works. Now it's just a matter of getting the septic tank tested, which it should be fine. The tank itself is in great condition. And the inspector person said, yeah, even if there's like a crushed pipe or something down to the drain field, we'll be able to just replace that pipe. The drain field itself, everything should be fine. So we'll find out here soon, beginning in November 6th, we weather permitting, we have a guy coming out to do the inspection. So that's the update for now. Now I'm just getting ready to install that battery insulation box for the lithium battery that's in the garage. We're going to be getting some frigid temperatures this weekend, down in the single digits, low single digits in the overnights. So I have to get this lithium battery protected. So here's the small battery box I built, and it just has a inch thick foam board, and I'm going to drop my battery in here, and then I'm going to cut some holes for the battery leads and then insulate them as well. So it's pretty basic. It's just 3/4 inch plywood and then 1 inch thick foam board, and then that should work. And then I also have this Inkbird ITC-1000F. It's a 12-volt thermostat. This thing was a real pain to figure out. And then these are just little beehive warmers. They only use like 10 or 12 watts, and I'll just set the temperature in here, and these will be inside the box, and it'll keep it warm. So I have my lithium battery safely tucked away and insulated in this box that I built. And then I also have some little heaters that go into the sides. I have an Inkbird ITC-1000F thermostat, and it should be ready to go. I just need to put in the top, seal it down. I have it set at 50 degrees, so if inside this box gets below 50 degrees, those little heaters will turn on. They use about 12 volts each. So we'll see how we do. It's going to get pretty cold this weekend. So there we have it. The insulated battery box is done. Now, hopefully it works. We'll find out.